If you're feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or disconnected from yourself right now, don't skip this video. What I'm going to show you bypasses your thinking brain entirely, and that's exactly why it works. Sometimes healing doesn't come from words, it comes from color, from movement, from allowing your hands to speak what your mouth cannot. I'm Sana Asad, holistic art therapy practitioner, mixed media artist, and founder of Wild About Art Studio based in Bahrain. And today I'm taking you through powerful art therapy technique called Thyself, a process that literally changes your nervous system while you create. By the end of the video, you will create your own therapeutic self-portrait, but more importantly, you will understand why this works at a neurological level. So grab whatever art supplies you have, even just a pen, paper, marker, color pencils, paints, whatever, and let's begin. Here exactly what we are doing in next 10 minutes. First, you will witness how I tune into my emotional state using color psychology. No thinking, just feeling. Then I'll create color swatches by mixing color intuitively. This isn't about making pretty colors, it's about externalizing your internal state. Finally, we will move into the portrait itself, and here where it's get interesting. You are not allowed to be perfect. The messier and more scribble it is, the more therapeutic benefits you will receive. I'll explain the science behind this as we go. This process has helped thousands of my students release anxiety, process grief, and reconnect with themselves, often within a single session, especially in drug addiction recovery program. Here I'm done with my color swatches. Before we dive in, let me tell you why this works, because understanding the why makes this practice even more powerful. When we experience difficult emotions, they often get trapped in our body. Neuroscience shows us that trauma and stress are stored in the right hemisphere of our brain. The nonverbal visual emotional side. Traditional talk therapy uses the left hemisphere, language, logic, analysis. But here's the problem. You can't always talk your way out of something you didn't think your way into. Art therapy activates the right hemisphere directly. The act of choosing colors, making marks, and creating without judgment allow your nervous system to process and release what's been stuck. And scribbling, that repetitive rhythmic movement, it activates the vagus nerve, which signals to our body, you are safe. You can relax now. This is why children naturally scribble when they are stressed. They are self-regulating. Now that you understand what's happened in your brain and body, let's start creating. So now we are done with our science class. Let's come back to art class. Now here I'm going to begin with wet on wet technique, adding lots of water on my paper. I'm using mixed media journal, which is 300 GSM paper, and I can freely add water as much as I want. Go with the colors what you already have mixed. If you notice, I'm not going with a particular color, just going to add the stroke of brush on my palette, then the paint. So it's just repeat the steps, enjoy the process. Somewhere it will be lighter color, somewhere it will be dark, overlap the colors, and this is how it will benefit you. Notice what's happening to your breathing right now. As you focus on mixing, blending, observing, your nervous system is already started to regulate. This is what I call active meditation. You are present, focused, but not controlling. You are responding, not forcing. Look at the range. Each one represents different facet of my linear expression today. Now it's time for me to add a touch of gold, bronze. It just popped in my mind that I need to add something extra. A little shimmer on the paper. Take your time here, create at least 6 to 7 different strokes on the paper and let the color talk to each other. Now it's time for our portrait, scribbling your truth. Here's where people usually get nervous. I can't draw faces. Perfect, that's exactly the point. We are not creating an Instagram worthy portrait. We are creating a feeling portrait, a truth portrait, an essence portrait. I'm starting with loose with my watercolor pencil. Free lines, I'm literally scribbling my face into existence. Look, these lines are messy, overlapping, searching. This technique is called gestural drawing. And in art therapy, we use it specifically to bypass the inner critics. When you make it perfect, your control melts away. And when control melts away, truth emerges. I'm not thinking about whether this looks like me. I'm thinking about, does this feel like me? Does it capture the essence of my emotional state right now? Take a moment and keep scribbling. Don't forget to breathe. If you're following along, remember your portrait might be abstract. It might just be a color or shape. It might be a collection of symbols. All of that is valid. All of that is therapeutic. Once I'm done with my pencil scribbling, I'm repeating the same step again with my black marker. It's a fine tip pen and the black marker just to enhance the brightness of my face because my background is already painted, so I need darker shade. Pencil will be very, very soft. I will keep it soft, that's why I'm using the fine tip pens for outlining. You can stop here if you want, or you can keep adding a little bit more. I just want to add some highlights in the face so the face will pop, and for that I'm using a water mixed white paint, applying on the forehead, cheeks and the nose just to pop my face from the background. And I might also use a little bit of blush, like shades of pink, shades of white, little makeup just to feel like my soul, the colors I love, and a little shimmer maybe in the end. Let's pause and look at what we have created. This portrait tells a story, not a story in words, but a story in colors, texture, and energy. Now, I want you to ask yourself these questions. You can journal about them later. What emotions come up while I was creating? What surprised me about the color or mark I made? If this portrait could speak, what would it say? What does this reveal about what I need right now? This is the know Thyself part. Your art has just shown you something about your inner landscape. That's the power of this practice. Art therapy works best with consistency. Even 10-15 minutes, a few times a week can create significant shift in your emotional well-being. If this process resonates with you, I would love to see your creation. Take a photo and share it on Instagram. Tag me Art Therapy with Sana or Wild About Art Co so I can see your work and celebrate your courage. And here's my invitation. Subscribe to my channel because every week I'm sharing therapeutic art process just like this one. Techniques that combine creativity with healing, packed with science, art therapy prompts as well as journaling techniques. Next week we are exploring something special. If you want to go more deeper, you can also join my community through WhatsApp group or through my website. Remember, sometimes healing doesn't come from words. Sometimes it comes from color, from scribbling, from allowing yourself to create without judgment. Thank you for creating with me today. And for the handout, don't forget to join the community so you will be able to get the handout for this practice. Till next time, take care of yourself and keep creating.